Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is an Obsidian honest review. As you can see, the pros are this is very aesthetic and modern knowledge management software. It is possible to sync across various devices, and then its features are super versatile, things like that. The cons that you're looking for: the search is terrible. If the search term is more than one word, you can forget about it. Then the single most annoying aspect is the lack of proper bibliography or citations management. There is a plugin, but I don't like too much how it works. And then the interface is quite unpleasant and takes getting used to. And then the collaboration is that while vaults can be accessed by multiple users, Obsidian has no inherent support for collaboration and therefore can be problematic in team settings. So if you are going for team issues, all the best. As you can see, these are things that people wish there was available in the app. Someone wishes it was faster by not loading certain plugin or configurations at startup, and then better native tasks, and then Canvas 2.0. And then as you can see, they say they would love to find a replace all nodes with regex, similar to how VS Code does it. And then someone is asking for a cheaper sync plan, since $96 a year is a lot. Better PDF handling, and then as you can see, to annotate PDF, support handwritten notes, things like that. So yeah, it is still in its newer version, and as you can see, there's a lot of issues going with it. But if you cannot find any other option, I would say go for it. But if you see there are other options, I would say look for them, see which one is better, and then go for it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.